So what I did was I smoothed it out a little bit. I'm going to put trim around the edges, of course, and make it look proper. And I used my wonderful new tool, my Dremel. I'm so excited about this Dremel. Thomas put it all together for me and showed me how to use it. And he worked on the dollhouse the other day when he was here, and he showed me how to make the holes and to saw. So you can't get a skill saw in that area. So then Thomas said, well, get a Dremel. So that's what I did. And so that's going to be a secret trap door, because the stairs would have been in the way in the kitchen. And the big kitchen here, I want to put a table in there, and I didn't want stairs. So I'm going to figure it out how to get stairs in. But they'll come in from behind the dollhouse, and there'll be a door there, probably. And then I've got a door going to the outside. I have to make a hole for that. And so it's coming together a bit at a time. Have to finish this wallpapering the pink there. I haven't finished that yet. So it's coming together. And I'm very excited about this little project.